Okay, imagine this. You want to study medicine abroad, but you're also trying not to go broke, right? Well, what if I told you that there's a place where you can get top-notch medical education without the insane fees? Yup, I'm talking about Georgia, the country, not the US state. And the best part, Tbilisi, the capital is becoming hidden gem for MBBS students in 2025. So if you want high quality education with affordable price tag, you are gonna want to stick around. Let's dive in and find out why Georgia should be at the top of your list. Hey future doctors, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the best kept secret in medical education, Tbilisi, Georgia. I know it's not the first name that pops up when you think about studying medicine, but trust me, you're gonna want to know why this place should be on your radar. From low fees to awesome student life, I have got the real scoop for you, so let's break it down. Alright, let's start with the basics. Why Georgia? Tbilisi isn't Moscow or London. It's way more chill, but modern, affordable and student friendly. It's got the perfect mix, peaceful and safe, but also buzzing with cafes, youth culture and weekend hangouts. And the cost of living is way more lower than most of the European cities, so you can live here comfortably without burning a hole in your wallet. So if you're looking for quality of life plus quality education, Tbilisi nails it. And now let's talk about the education itself. Tbilisi's universities are not overcrowded, which means more class sizes and personalized attention. You're not just a student number 354 on a list. Professor actually know your name here. And the best part, clinical exposure starts early. Thanks to strong partnership with the local hospitals, students are working with the real patients and not just the mannequins from the first year itself. That's the kind of hands-on experience that truly prepares you to become a doctor. So, what does the MBBS course look like? It's a 6-year program structured like this. First 2 years deep dive into theory, physiology, anatomy, biochem, the essentials. And from 3rd year to 6th, it will be clinical practice plus hospital rotations. And the best part, even in the theory years, you are getting real world exposure so that the transition to treating real patients is smooth. By your final year, you are rotating through departments, which is surgery, internal medicine or pediatrics, like a real junior doctor. Now, here's something important, the eligibility to study MBBS abroad from India. You must be NEET qualified, even if your marks are low. Minimum 137 marks for general category, that's 50% in NEET 2025. 12th board marks, 50% in PCB, and of course, you should be 17-year-old by December 31st of the admission year. And that's it, you have cleared NEET. You are eligible to study MBBS in Georgia. What about the language? Don't worry, the entire MBBS program is in English. Lecture, clinical, exam, all of it. You will be surrounded by students from India, Africa, Middle East and even Europe. It's a global classroom where everyone's learning together, and that international vibe makes it easier to feel at home. Now, let's talk about student life. Tbilisi is safe, compact and vibrant. You have got cozy cafes, beautiful parks and amazing weekend getaways to mountains or historical towns, and all of these are just few hours away. You won't find those flashy clubs on every corner, but honestly, that's a good thing. You will have balanced lifestyle like study-focused weekdays and relaxed weekends with your friends. That's a perfect combo for most of the students. Tuition fees in Tbilisi cost you around $4,000 to $5,000 per year, and that is rupees 3 to 4 lakh annually. So total 6 years of MBBS would cost you around rupees 18 to 24 lakh. That is way more lower than the Indian private colleges. And yes, many universities offer early bird discount or scholarship if you apply early, so don't wait till the last minute. Tbilisi grads are making it big, from clearing FMG or NEXT in India to working in Europe, UK and the Gulf. You will be part of a network of doctors trained in global standards, which open doors in multiple countries. Here's a question for you. Would you rather study in a giant city where you feel lost, or a place where you are actually known and mentored? Drop your thoughts below because I'm curious to know. So, should you consider Tbilisi for MBBS in 2025? If you are looking for affordable fees, personalized teaching, early clinical exposure, and a safe, welcoming city, then yes, Tbilisi should be on your shortlist. And if you need any help with shortlisting the universities, documents, visa, or anything else, reach out to Select Your University, your trusted partner for MBBS abroad. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe because we have got more content coming your way to help you choose the right path after NEET.